Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a breathtaking statement piece. Stay tuned and watch how I bring this masterpiece to life. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and share this video with a friend who would love some DIY inspiration. Now that the couplings are fully dry onto the circle plaque, I would say let it dry for about 1 hour before you proceed on to the next step. Now you're going to need a second wooden plaque. You also going to glue your coupling the same exact ways on both plaque. Now you want them both to be aligned as much as possible. So if you need a ruler to measure in between your coupling, you can do that. Or you can simply do it like me. Don't use a ruler and just use the eye test and just make sure that everything is aligned perfectly. So one of your wooden plaque is going to be your base. That's what you're going to use for the bottom. And then this one, we're going to go ahead and have it on top. You're going to go ahead and grab your water pipes, your pixie water pipes. These are extremely long. You're going to cut 4 pieces of this water pipe, and the 4 that you're going to cut is going to be 17 inches long. And then the other 4 that you're going to cut is going to be 18 inches long. Okay, so you're going to need 8 pieces. Now to cut your water pipes into those pieces, you are going to need, you can get a pipe cutter. If you do not have a pipe cutter, you can use a handsaw or you can use a sharp knife. So either one of those would do the trick. Okay, to start off, I'm gonna take my 17-inch water pipes. Okay, I am going to go ahead and connect them into the coupling. So now you're just gonna kind of squeeze it down like that. All right. Now you're gonna push it down because you want to go ahead and secure it in place really nicely. Now you have yourself a pretty secure pipe. Next thing you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna go ahead and spray paint it. I will be spray painting my piece gold. However, you can choose to spray paint it whatever color you would like.